Hi, human resource is the area of any business of any size that deals with the most paper. There are so many forms, and many of them are required by law. Most of them, if not all of them, need to be entered at some point. So over time, human resource end up with a pile of paper, and it's hard to track things down or even find a form that was filled maybe a year ago. So here's a solution for business of any size, including small businesses, because this is an inexpensive solution. I took this form, just one of many, and it's the self-identification form. It's mandatory. So the employees fill this up. There are many other forms that get filled up. And what I did, I entered all the fields in that form here. So what human resource will do now is take the form, type it in, push this button, and the form enters a database, which is this page. And on this page, every employee becomes a record. So this is true for any form that human resource deals with. So let's see how this works. You type the employee ID because that's an employee. You already know who the person is. And once you hit tab, we search a database of employee and bring the name up. Now we pick the gender. Now we hit tab. We pick the Hispanic, Latino, yes. We pick the race. There's a list, drop down list here. Pick white. Education, we pick an education for the employee. Disability, we pick no for this case. And veteran status, we pick no. And the today's date is there. We hit the button. Boom. The page confirms this above this line, last record added. So it's confirming that the record was added. Let's take a look at the database. There it is, entered into the database. Okay, we'll go back. We're going to enter another employee. We punch number 2, tab. There's the second one. We get to gender, Anthony, male. Hispanic, no. Race, maybe white. It could be any race. There's a list there. Education, MBA. Disability, no. Veteran status, maybe yes. And today's date is there. We're going to hit the button. Boom. You can see that the message confirms Anthony Scott has been entered into the database. Let's go check the database. There is Anthony. We can see the 2 employees here now. Let's go back quick again and enter one more employee, 3. Hit tab. This is Mary Fisher, gender. We pick a gender, female. Hispanic, no. Race, any race, we'll pick a different one. You can see that the option expanded because of the size of the title. College and disability, we'll pick no. Veteran status, no. And we hit the button, boom. And the message confirms. Mary Fisher has been entered. Let's check the database. There's Mary Fisher. So the database grows. We have the data here. We can come to this data anytime in the future, do any report, any graph, any calculations. And this is therefore how human resource can save a lot of time and have the information ready to go anytime human resource need. Now here's a cool trick. Push the button and have a good day.